In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not receiving the LinkedIn verification code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by verifying your credentials. Ensure that you are using the exact email address associated with your LinkedIn account. It's easy to make a typo when entering your email, so double-check everything before proceeding. A small mistake can cause a big inconvenience. Next, let's talk about checking all your email folders. Sometimes, verification emails end up in spam, junk, or even promotions folders, depending on your email provider. Take a moment to look through these folders to see if the verification email has landed there by mistake. It happens more often than you might think. If you've waited a few minutes and still haven't received the code, don't worry. You can simply go back to the LinkedIn sign-in page or the verification prompt and click on the option to resend the code. It's a straightforward and quick way to give it another shot. Now let's manage your email settings. If you have access to your LinkedIn account, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. Then head over to Sign In and Security. Here, you will find a list of your email addresses. Make sure that your primary email is confirmed. If it isn't, go ahead and confirm it. You can also add a secondary email address if you'd like to have more than one option for verification. Another useful tip is to add LinkedIn's official email addresses to your email provider's Safe Senders list. Doing this will help ensure that future verification codes and communications from LinkedIn won't be redirected to your spam or junk folder again. Now, if you are trying to verify your account via SMS, let's check your phone and SMS settings. First, ensure that your mobile device has a strong cellular signal. Otherwise, you may not receive the SMS at all. Sometimes, just moving to a different location within your house or stepping outside can help improve your signal strength. Additionally, make sure that your phone is not set to Do Not Disturb or Silent mode. When these features are active, you might miss incoming SMS notifications, including important verification codes. It's a simple thing to overlook, but checking this could save you a lot of hassle. Finally, if you haven't added a phone number to your LinkedIn account yet, consider doing so in your account settings. Having a phone number linked to your account can serve as an alternative verification method, which can be very handy if the email verification continues to cause problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with receiving your LinkedIn verification code. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide helps you get back to networking on LinkedIn swiftly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more content.